As our world grows, so does pollution. Pollution from vehicles, industrial processes, and more is choking our cities and harming our well-being. The presence of pollutants in air, hazardous to our respiratory systems, is a pressing concern. Every breath we take in urban environments is fraught with danger. Yet, it is one of the most challenging tasks to reduce pollution due to the need to use cars or some means of transportation. Transport accounts for 30% of global carbon emissions, and 72% of these emissions come from road transportation. The WHO currently estimates that the exposure to air pollution causes 4.2 million deaths every year, 25% of which are from heart disease and 45% of which are from lung disease. In addition, 91% of the world's population lives in places where air pollution exceeds the WHO guideline limits. There's been many attempts to reduce pollution, but EngineGuard is the first to tackle it from the root of the cause. EngineGuard, a youth-led innovation to address the urban air pollution crisis. It's not just another air purifier. Using existing technology by integrating two pollution-fighting mechanisms, the photocatalytic coating and the electrostatic precipitator, this duo works together to trap and disintegrate pollutants directly from vehicle exhaust pipes and turn them into harmless substances. Picture this. As vehicles traverse our city streets, they release a major amount of harmful pollutants into the air. As these pollutants pass through EngineGuard, the electrons from these particles get attracted to the center electrode, which is called the cathode. Therefore, the particle becomes positively charged, then will attract to the negatively charged plates. Here's a prototype on how this works. A lighted splint is held under the electrostatic precipitator. Here, when the prototype is off, smoke can be seen coming out from the top. However, when it is turned on, smoke cannot be seen, as the smoke particles are attracted to the negatively charged plates. Next, photocatalytic coating takes over. This coating covers the walls of the device, catalyzing a reaction that breaks down these pollutants into harmless components. The sun only has 3% UV light, therefore this may cause inefficient degradation as the band energy gap of the coat is 3.2 eV. The UV light installed inside the device therefore increases the rate of degradation. This study conducted shows nitrous oxide reductions with the coating as well as the reduction of toxic emissions over 150,000 kilometers. Furthermore, EngineGuard has a self-cleaning property, therefore it is a USP for those who enjoy convenience. Here's an example of the effectiveness of photocatalytic coating's self-cleaning function.
When light is shown on the coating, electrons are released. Released electrons bond with the oxygen and becomes a superoxide anion, and the coating becomes positively charged. It then takes electrons from the air, so moisture in the air losing electrons becomes a hydroxyl radical.
EngineGuard's closest competing market is the electric car market, as both EVs and EngineGuard aim to reduce pollution around transportation. The global EV market is expected to grow from $500.48 billion in 2023 to $1,579 billion in 2030. Therefore, there is large potential and interest in this market as more people are becoming aware of sustainable transportation. Tesla, as a large competitor in the EV market, has highly appealing qualities. However, the concept of EngineGuard being able to be implemented on every vehicle and not just a specific range of cars is what truly makes it shine, as it also appeals to those who own traditional gasoline-powered cars or those who don't wish to change cars. Through eliminating various complexities involved in the process of air pollution reduction to reducing the healthcare burden towards urban civilians and raising the quality of life as EngineGuard creates an innovative and sustainable future, we aim to further target these non-customers. Tier 1 customers are aware of the environmental concern related to air pollution from car emissions, and they might be contemplating a switch to electric cars but have not yet made the transition. Tier 2 customers are committed to electric vehicles, therefore they may perceive additional products as unnecessary. And for Tier 3, in rural areas where environmental awareness might be lower, individuals may have never considered purchasing such offerings because they may not be largely impacted by pollution. Other than tackling 5 SDG goals, EngineGuard aims to become a market leader in a world where every vehicle on the road contributes to the solution, not the problem. Through our past pitches in front of professors and Thailand's government advisor, as a top 10 participant in the nation, EngineGuard has appealed to its judges for its implementation of existing technology into a commitment for creating sustainable urban environments. Our innovation, EngineGuard, is not just a product, it is a promise to step closer towards a brighter future.